1979 Jepro Kok Borok official language. Chin Borok Basabaso second official language. No, it's an official language. Because official language ngo gazette notification ngo apro Kok Borok ngo tamba sijang nai sajagya. Kay tabok CBSE ni student of problem face kay dong. Students studying in CBSE and Kok Borok has been introduced. Now you are facing problem. ICSE tabuk teruk ngui dong. Borok ba problem go kay nai. Nga hai ni bagino sung borok thansa ba. Serai por inani jaga alase kebeng ngui dong. Bahai tofani hamkrai nai. Kawang ma government paijang ka je government Roman script by Kok Borok mas hingai ni borok ba asu khabla borok tang klai malang ya ba chin borok ni thani kai lack of commitment ang sak bo hamjagya sak no ang buino bo hamjagya do phano bo hamjagya ang kai si hamja kang kai chung tini om hai bo tongla ka bo at least ko tebo kebom tongo baksa sau chin borok tang aya sung maya Tripurani ST candidate ro IS lunani hini kai language paper compulsory. Nanga language paper pass khaya kai tai alka paper na jagya. Kabang ma yom dosro tongpurun chimi UPSC by fight claim ni tabu fight khai dong. Thana ni MP no bo letter jak nangoma tisa di hini. Tisaya Manipuri 6 city lo habjak. Hai pano ayang khasa do tongnai naga tai marro borok language paper siya kaseng katang sei dong na ba omo kebeng mo saibo busia sini netaro saijung sijago do phano hamjagya tangditao samu tangya every jepro pano to sini ST ro obo purisa tonglo MLA borok tisai me diba Kok Borok ni hain toka phadi omro khlai de na hane tisaya yo borok ni hamjama borok tongba osrai pori tongnai ro tabuk sau sar Kok Borok to CBSE ongkha haipano seina ni jungjar kamno tangi na yaba Kok Borok department 2015 no ang khuloge de Tripura University bo kano sungo Professor Anjan Kumar Ghosh khuloge jamano ni tang mayang nai hisaka ang saimano kebang ma jungjal tongnai haibana ang gosei khulogoi leka tau Kok Borok assistant professor kebang ma Kok Borok assistant professor college of Toronto PGT TGT 2018 no cannot PhD khulogoi leka record time within 3 years tau khorok tam PhD khaido Kok Borok khorok sakai submit khlaite tei Ngai je jaga tongo a sep no nai no jeng sini borok ni bagi samung matar na ang komono ani kobok mong serai rong no noro kahamke pori khangke se dofa thangnai gobang ma tablet chanai rok tongo khanao kha khamo a lamo ta thangdi kahamke pori di sak basadi dofa no sisa gadi ang asal Kok Borok lulia tini asal Kok saino oron mathaka sakha ke ba puardi saya ke nakar kai jotono hambai khulbai